The American Rose Society is celebrating our 130th anniversary this year. We are a nonprofit that is dedicated to rose education and research. In early 2017, President Pat Shanley introduced the vision of a 5-year master plan setting the path for what became known as the Great Garden Restoration. The circular gardens suggest the gears of a vintage pocket watch and represent a tour of roses through time. The entry to the circular gardens consists of current-day roses, where the last circle at the back of this garden contains old garden roses. The garden design was provided by Jackson and Perkins. Without this fabulous design, the gardens wouldn't be as special as they are today and telling the story of the rose. You can become a member of the American Rose Society at rose.org and begin your journey into a world of roses.